Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make heart card wallet. I also have a bunch of Valentine's video on my channel. If you want to check them out, I will leave the link on the description box below. We're going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. Hook under the first line and hook into the second one. And we can just pull on both sides. And that is a slip knot. We're going to continue with 21 chains. We're going to skip the first chain and start from the second one. And starting from the second one, we're going to make 19 single crochet. We will have one chain left, and on the last chain we're going to make 3 single crochet. Then we're going to move to the other side of the chain, and we are going to make 18 single crochet. Then on the last chain we're going to make 2 single crochet. And we are done with the first round. We're going to continue into the second round. We're going to start every round with a slip stitch and a chain. And for the second round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. We're going to start from the same stitch where we made the slip stitch. We're going to continue into round 3. So we're going to start with a slip stitch and a chain. Then we're going to make 5 single crochet. Next we're going to make the heart, and to make the heart we're going to grab another yarn, and we are going to make a slip knot first. We're going to continue with the wallet, and we're going to make a single crochet on the next stitch. But instead of yarn over the pink yarn, we're going to insert the blue yarn. Then we're going to finish the single crochet with the pink yarn. And that is the heart. Using the pink yarn, we're going to continue with 5 single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we're going to make another heart. And that is the pattern for this round. 5 single crochet, continue with a heart, and you can just continue making this until the end of the round. Before we moving on, if you crochet like this, it will form a long line on the inside part of the wallet, and there's a chance that your card will get stuck into it. So to prevent that, we're going to hide the yarn. So after making the first heart, we're going to make 5 single crochet, and on the first single crochet, we're going to put the blue yarn on top of the hook while we're making the single crochet. And that is how you hide the yarn, and we are going to do this on every 2 stitches. So on the next stitch, we're not going to hide the yarn. And then on the next one, we're going to hide the yarn. And we're just going to use this method for the whole tutorial. The last stitch for the round will be the heart, and we're going to continue into the next round. We're going to start with a slip stitch and a chain. Then for this round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. We're going to continue into round 5, and we're going to start with a slip stitch and a chain. Then we're going to make 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make the heart next. Continue with 5 single crochet. So we're going to make 5 more sets of heart and 5 single crochet, so there will be 6 sets in total. And then after that, we're going to make another heart. And we are going to continue with 3 single crochet. And that is the end of round 5. We're going to continue into round 6, and we are going to start with a slip stitch and a chain. And for this round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Then for the next round, we can just repeat round 3 until round 6, until we reach round 13 or until you reach the height of your card. You can also use a needle to make the hearts look more visible. So this is what it's going to look like after round 13. You can go ahead and check if the card fits well in the wallet. After that, you can cut the blue yarn and secure the end. Next, we're going to sew on the button, and please make sure that the last stitch that we made is on the right side. After you sew the button, we're going to continue into the last round. So we're going to start with a slip stitch and a chain. And for this round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch, but we're going to stop when we reach the middle part of the back side to make the chains that will go around the button. We have reached the middle part. Now we're going to make the chains, and I'm going to make 10 chains. If you use a bigger button, then you can make more chains. Then you can check if the chain is long enough to go around the button. Then we're going to continue with a single crochet on the next stitch. And we can just make a single crochet for each stitch until we reach the end of the round. After that, we can make a slip stitch on the very first chain. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And that is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!